connecting today's youth with the folk heritage of Pakistan is a mean to strengthen and reinforce a spirit of national harmony and integration in the nation through a cultural perspective. Let us have a digital experience to an effort towards promoting young folk heritage of Pakistan to provide more meaning, depth and rootedness in a youth's life. A 3-day colorful youth cultural Mela was organized by National Institute of Folk and Traditional Heritage, Loke, Virsa. It is a well-done attempt to create more space for expressing diversity within our culture, asserting cultural autonomy and dignity, and could contribute towards being a stronger democracy and a stronger nation. The enchanting sights of Youth Cultural Mela 2018 were congregation of youth in colorful traditional costumes, display of youth artisans at work, youth at the forefront of folk musical performances, including folk dance performances, and performances by traditional drummers, tolis, serving traditional cuisine with unique folk tastes, and a display of craft bazaar. These sights and sounds prove that young folk generation is creatively engaged in celebrating the cultural identity, picturing unity in diversity. What makes this event different was the youth folk inclusion in collaboration with Sindh province. The capital city audience was thrilled to have live performers from the land of Sufis. When the Cultural Department, Government of Sindh organized a Sindhi musical show in collaboration with Loke Virsa during the event. The Sindhi musical night was a mix of folk and Sufi music, presented by young folk artists and musicians. The youth artisans at work, showcasing traditional crafts like wood carving, jewelry, embroidery, and shawl weaving from Kashmir, handicrafts, cap making, and embroidery from Gilgit-Baltistan, blue tiles work, embroidery, doll making, block printing, and truck art from Punjab, shawl weaving and basketry work from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Dambura, musical instruments, sarods making, and traditional chappal making from Balochistan, and ajrak block printing, wood mirror work, pottery making, Farasi weaving, blue tiles work and lungi, turban, weaving from Sindh. This was another folk way to display the creative side of youth engagement in folk heritage. This marvelous youth gathering at Loke Virsa was inaugurated by Mariam Aurangzeb, Federal Minister for Information Broadcasting, National History and Literary Heritage. She acknowledged the effort saying,
मुझे देखकर बड़ी खुशी हुई कि यहाँ जितने परफॉर्मर्स थे उन्होंने जो पाकिस्तान की सकाफ़त को आप लोगों के सामने डिफरेंट तरीक़ों से पेश हुई है। पाकिस्तान के तूलो अर्ज़ में गिलगित बल्तिस्तान से लेकर बलूचिस्तान की कोस्ट तक जितनी हमारी सकाफ़त है और कितने रंग हैं उस सकाफ़त में।
Miss Shahira Shaikh, Executive Director, also spoke at the occasion saying,
हमने सोचा कि हम इस दफ़ा मौका अपने नौजवानों को दें कि वो आगे आएँ और वो अपने फ़न का मुज़ाहरा करें। ये वही नस्ल है हमारी जो हमारी सारी कदरें, हमारे सारी सकाफ़त के इक़्तिदार लेके आगे चलेगी।
No wonder the National Institute of Folk and Traditional Heritage, Loke Virsa, is striving at its best to provide a unified platform for inclusive youth engagement that encourages a robust folk-inspired youth in the country.